This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, Android 9 or newer, and the app's permission to change system settings. Once done, open the Quick Settings editor and add the Private DNS Quick Settings tile so you can toggle quickly. Make sure you've copied your DNS over TLS provider hostname. This matters because the tile writes that hostname into System Private DNS. If the ROM enforces DNS security, you'll need a TLS-capable hostname. Otherwise, the change won't activate. Next, configure the tile behavior inside the app. Paste the provider hostname, assign a profile name, and pick whether a tap toggles or a long press opens options. Once set, enable per-network profiles if you want different DNS on Wi-Fi versus cellular. This prevents breakage on captive portals. Test immediately by resolving one or two domains and watch the app's logs. You should see a successful TLS handshake and DNS queries routed to your provider. If not, double-check hostname spelling and permissions. Finish by saving the profile and placing the tile in your top Quick Settings row so it's immediately accessible. Make sure the system's private DNS status reflects your hostname in network settings. This confirms the system accepted the change. If connectivity fails after switching, try toggling airplane mode to restart network stacks or disable the tile to revert to automatic private DNS. For persistent failures, reset the tile configuration and re-enter the hostname. Mistyped host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.